Good morning everyone. My name is Chris Mark Principi. My topic is continuation about sa report ni Mr. Figarum. Let's go to the index of difficulty. Index of difficulty is used to determine the appropriateness of the items used in the specific assessment. This is to make sure that the item suits the level of participants or the students and should be differentiated. So here are the formula of index of difficulty. So P equal to RU plus RL over T times 100. So RU stands for the number of upper group who correctly answer the items. Then RL stands for the number in lower group who answer the items correctly. So then T stands for the total number of who tried the item. So for example, sa RU or upper group, there are 20 participants or students. Then sa lower group, naput tayo 20 participants. So out of 20 participants in upper group, there are only 14 who got correct answer. So mauna siya ang 14. So for example lang ni guys So then sa 6 out of 20 participants in the lower group, who got also the correct answer. So add them together. So 14 plus 6 is 20. Then divided by the total of participants. So ang kanang total sa participants nato is mao to siya ang T. So ang RU is na tayo 20 participants, then sa RL is na po tayo 20 participants. So 20 plus 20 is 40. So mo na siya ang so 20 divided by 40 is 0.50. So and lastly is multiply with 100. So 0.50 times 100, that give us the answer 50. So let's go to the example number 2. So for example is natay 10 sa RU sa upper group, then sa naputay 10 sa RL or lower group. So 6 out of 10 participants who got correct answer. Then sa lower group or RL is naay 2 out of 10. So ang total sa ang T is pila itong total sa RU ug RL, di ba? Ang RU is na 10, then ang RL is na 10, so 20 tanan. So over 20. So 6 plus 2 is 8 over 20 times 100. So 8 divided by 20 is 0.40. So times 100. So 0.40 times 100 is 40%. So let's go to the index of discrimination. So ang index of discrimination is gibase na siya sa index of difficulty. So we use the same data to the new formula for discrimination. So here are the formula of index of discrimination. So D equals RU minus RL over 1/2 divided by T. So for example, 6 out of 10 sa RU, then sa RL 2 out of 10. So over 1/2 nya ang T nato is 20 kay 10 sa RU, 10 sa RL. So mga 20. So 6 minus 2 equals 4, then 1/2 divided by 20 is 10. So 4 divided by 10 is 0.40. So mao to siya ang index of discrimination. So take note that the bigger the percentage, the more the easy the question or item is, and vice versa. So the smaller the percentage figure, the more difficult the question is. So for our example, which give us the 0.40 or 40%, this means that the question we used was moderately difficult. So that's all. Thank you.